Umunem, I greet you all this afternoon. Unlike me, I don't usually put mouth in this kind of thing. I like minding my business. Seriously, I like minding my business. But what I see and what I'm hearing is very annoying. Is very bad, like capital bad. No, now you see that we the traditionalists, we the devil himself are the people that have the pure heart. I have the clean spirit to forgive. No, can you imagine about somebody or that Jesus and Oduheje? No, can you imagine? It's really very. I'm just trying to bear it, but I could not. Chimarin Temple, forgive. He forgives and undo everything, even giving him 200,000 naira cash to still move ahead. You see someone that is dead already. He went there, you forgive him. Chimarin forgive her. Forgive her and undo everything. I even dash her money on top. My heart is felt, I felt, I don't know how I feel. The thing just, I feel somehow like, seriously. And up in here, moto. The people that you think is evil are not really evil. The people you think they are bad are not really bad. Now the deputy Jesus, the deputy of the deputies, of every of the miracle signs and wonders of everything. The people that represent the Almighty Jesus cannot forgive. You see somebody dying, lying down on stroke with kidney failure. You are still pointing at her, telling her that you cannot forgive her until she bring the people. Until she bring the people and then prove that yes, that he did fake miracle. And the woman Rita Idoche have the guts to say, "I will never forgive you." Who are you? Who the hell are you? Who are you? Are you God? Please shout it. Are they God? You are not God. You are not the creator. This air that you are breathing, do you know how you are breathing this air? The air you breathe, do you know how come about it? The water you are drinking, do you know how come about it? If we are to buy all these things, we cannot afford it. We can't buy this air. We can't buy it. But God made it, the Creator Himself made it possible for each and every one of us to sleep and wake up and see a new day in our life, a new beginning in our life. You as a human being, you wish your fellow human being dead. Like, if you don't, who are you? What a wicked world. Now you see your deputy Jesus on a see. The people that you people say that they are almighty everything, you see them? Are you seeing them now? Which proof do you want to prove? What do you want to prove now? Is it proving that yes, there is no Jesus, or is it proving that he's God, or is it proving that he is the giver of life? Is it what he's trying to prove, that he's the giver of life? What is he trying to prove? That he's a giver of life. Forgive and forget. If you say you don't want to, you're still holding yourself. You forgive, you go your way. Forgiveness is in fact, it makes you live free, make you be happy, make you to be, it makes you to live above your expectations. Forgiveness alone. Do you think people have not hurt me or people have not hurt you? We have been hurt. Everybody have offended us, but we have to move on. We have to forgive and forget. Even though you don't want those people close, just like what I said, that forgiveness is a sin to me, in the sense that I forgive you, but go your way, let me go my way. Finish. You forgive, allow her to go her way, and you go your way. Forgiveness. Forgive her, but stay your own. Me, I do that. I forgive you, go your way, but I don't want to come. I don't want you close to me again. Finish, but I forgive you. Seriously, from the depth of my heart, I forgive you. I won't have any malice against you. I won't have anything in mind against you. Period. Go your way, let me go my way. Finish. That is just what that game. Okay, she have criticized you, criticized your altar, lie against you, call you fake or blah blah blah. Fine, but she's sorry. She still come down to that altar that she criticized. She still come to that person that she say is a fake. She still come to that person that say is not worthy, and still make you to feel that yes, you are worthy, you are still real. To ask for forgiveness. What does it take you to say no? I forgive you. But the people that you are seeing as evil, see Chimarin, that people are seen as a native daughter that is evil. I've forgiven, even dash her money to continue life. But you as a deputy Jesus Christ yourself, you did not forgive. You say you will never forgive. No, Rita just come out this morning. There are people we are calling her. And then now she decides to, who are you? So if people, you show that you are evil. You show you are animal in human form. You are animal, you are an idiot. So if people did not call you, you will not forgive her. Who are you? No, the person that gave you that air that you are breathing right now said that he or she will, that he will take it from you. Who are you to say no? You will go from there. Nobody is God. Nobody, no human being is God. And we can't do more than our children, what our children have programmed us to be. We can't do more than that. So if people did not call you, you will not forgive. No, if people were not calling from different states, from different angles, you will not forgive. Or do I just say, even after telling her, you see someone is dying down there, like, if you see this girl picture lying down there, you will cry for her. I felt for her. No, yes, she had made a mistake. Even at the initial time, I was angry. Why would she be saying no? I was angry with her. I was mad also. If person is fake or real, leave her alone. Whether not fake, no concern you. Whether not real, no concern you. It's only matter of time. But fine and good, she have made the mistake. But we can, two wrongs cannot make a right. Two wrongs cannot make a right. You that claim that you are right, fine. She's wrong, good. Now that she's wrong, I shall realize that she's wrong and come to you that said you are right. Fine, you have to prove that you are right also. You have to show human being. Can you show a little kindness to nature? To human being? Can you show a little kindness? Is it too hard? Is it too big? No, seriously, is it too big to show a little kindness? Is it too big? What do you have? Whatever you think you have, some people has more than that. But they can't say it, they don't flaunt. What is it that you think you have? What kind of power do you think you have? Whatever power you have, please come and raise my sister from death. Come and raise her from death, though. No, whatever power you think you have, come and help me and raise my sister Chioma from death. Come and raise her for me. Because if I have the power to raise her, I will raise her too. We don't have this power that we don't have everything. You don't have anything. Even this one I'm using here is not by my power. It's never my